to this fucking thing. Froze the belt off the deck. Stopped the mower. Sort the belt out. Fucking thing wouldn't start. Knock all the dust out of the air filter. Still wouldn't start. Fucking pull the hood off. Try and start it again. Big gush of fuel comes out of this shitty, or it's not even a carb, I don't know what you call it. I walk all the way up, fucking driveway, get another spark plug. Twice it threw the fucking deck belt off, and then I found out like the V on it's just fucking gone. Come up, get another spark plug. Look at that. I don't know if it's going to focus or not, but it's completely closed that spark gap up with carbon. Like, it's burning that much fucking oil. Even now I'll show you. It's just, I'm fucking over it. That's what happened. I had to top the oil up down there, so I had to drag the fucking drum of oil down there. That's what happened down there. Once I managed to get it going, it was just like a mosquito fogger. Like, fuck me, what a fucking piece of shit. The way that's going, because I put 30 weight in, it had 40 in it with a bit of mower thickener. So it's burnt all that off. It wasn't smoking. Put the 30 weight in, starts smoking real bad. So I'd say it's probably more that intake valve stem seal than anything. So fuck me, it's just the oven heating element turned up, so I guess that's one good fucking thing. And RACQ have accepted the damage for all the aircons and the water, like the house water pump. So that's more good news kind of, but they won't do the oven, dryer or dishwasher due to age and wear related issues. So yeah, and I put my notice in this morning for 2 weeks, so new job starts, yeah, first week of next month. More money, better roster. If something breaks down, I just call a fucking fitter. I don't touch anything. This thing, I wanted to get yard work done, and it's just always something with this, hey? Like, I've got a spare deck belt, so I'll put that on. Well, that belt will be 4 years old. Because it broke, yeah, it broke when I first got it. And this is during the arse end of COVID, so they had none in stock in Australia. So I went to a Allied Bearing place, and they had belts. They was an inch shorter. It was only like $15 compared to like $55 for a Cub Cadet. So anyway, I'll get this oven element in today. Once this is cooled down, I'll park it up in the shed, and I might start pulling that cylinder head off tonight and having a look around. It's just, you know, like I wanted to pick up all the bloody sticks and limbs and shit, and I can't. So I dragged all what I could out of the way, but, you know, wanted to put it all on the trailer, dump it down the burn pile, but I can't do that. So, this thing's just, I wish I never bought it. I wish I'd spent the extra $4,000 and got a subcompact tractor, you know, because they were doing, had like 10,000 hours on them for $8,000. They had excavator, implement. I think a 72-inch mower deck, which was, you know, one of those drive-on ones, and it had a GP bucket for 10 grand, thereabouts. Instead I got this fucking thing. So this is just for an older Westinghouse freestyle 662. You read that? Yeah. So you just pull this. So you pull that back cover off. And there's just a couple of little clips that pop into there and hold that in place. One screw. Just wiggle it forward. Make sure your power's off of the wall. This is a new one. Somebody might want that, but it fits a lot of I don't know what you call it, like a multi-fit thing, so it'll fit a whole range of different ovens. So I'll get this one off, get it plugged in, and I'll get back to you. That's the new heating element in. Just had to bend them little things out a little bit because these are slightly bit thicker. And just put the clips in. Oh, it's coming out again. And I had to put a bigger screw in because it was stripped out. All back in place. Just turn the flash on. There we go. Set at 250 thereabouts. Let that run for 10 minutes. Yeah, it's actually easy, not a fraud. I did one of it 20 odd years ago. Yeah, it's getting nice and hot now. Just have to give it a good clean. Another job done. Yeah, it's literally just a matter of pulling that out. Make sure your power's off the wall. When you pull your old coils out, yeah, put the wires like for like. So there's two on this side, two on this side, like that. On this one, there's a wire that goes on here. So make sure that goes exactly. You just follow the old one as you pull it out. So it's getting real hot now. So yeah, not bad for. I think it was $53 posted. So yeah. Another job done.